Hello guys, I hope all you guys are doing very well and you all are eagerly waiting for my business presentation. Let me start the business presentation. Before that, let me tell about myself. Myself Suraj and I work for a public sector bank. Apart from that, I will this business. Let me start the business presentation now. Let's see. You check your interest and passion. Whether you are in looking zone, ambitious, willing to learn and listen, willing to change, want to start up as an affordable business in looking zone. I hope all you guys who has come to this presentation all are in looking zone. Before and apart from that, you have to have ambition in your life, what you want to achieve, and willing to learn and listen. See, you will get a coach anywhere in the life. If you want to grow anywhere, you have a coach. So they will teach you something. You have to listen. You have to apply in your life, and willing to change. See, anywhere if you want to grow in your life, you have to change yourself. And this is the business startup. You can start this business in affordable price. Okay, let me talk about needs versus dream. What is our needs and dream? Our need may be our dream, may be our own house, luxury car, debt-free life, foreign trips, children education, vacation home, parents care, happy bank balance, etc. Own house means what? There is no EMI going on it. It is our own luxury house. There is no EMI. Debt free life means whatever we have right now, it is all debt free. Foreign trip. Do you think we can go foreign trip frequently? No, because we have a job or business. We can't go. So we have a dream of foreign trip. Whenever we wish to go, we can go. Children education. So many people are having dream of children education. They want their children to study in very good colleges and school. Vacation home. My vacation home like you mean I mean to say that wherever you wish to go, wherever you want to spend time, there is a home. You can stay there at home and you can enjoy your life. Like Switzerland. If you want to go Switzerland, you should have your home. Somebody having parents care, and so many people, almost all the people want happy bank balance. But do you think it is possible? Not really in a normal life. So what is our income? See the our income circle. Our income circle is so small. We in this income we can't reach our dreams and needs. So normally what happens? Normal people will start decreasing their dreams. They will decrease their happy bank balance, parents care, vacation home, children education, foreign trip, debt-free life, luxury car, own house, and they will try to minimize their dream circle to income circle. You can see now. Now we have another choice. Why not to increase our income circle so that whatever dream we got, we will achieve? Why not to we have, right? Now, let's see. You all people must be knowing Robert Kiyosaki. As per him, there are only four type of people who make money in legal way. One is E, employee. One is self-employed. B for businessman. I for investor. Employee. Employee. What they do? You have a job. Means I also employee. I have a job. If I go to the work, I will get paid. If I don't go, I'll not get paid. And somebody having self-employed. Self-employed own boss. You own a business, but normally you don't own business. Business owns you. Why? Because if you don't go for your business, your income will be zero, right? And see, businessmen who have a own system, people network, people work for them. Like you know that so many people, Jeff Bezos is there, Amazon, and in so many Reliance is there. So many people are there and they are earning passive income. Their income doesn't depend on their purchase. Whether they are working or not doesn't matter at all. Whether Jeff Bezos is working, Amazon or no, not at all. Still, he is making crores, he is making millions. Investor. Normally, what happens? Who is a businessman become investor? Like we know that Warren Buffett. He is a big investor. He doesn't work. He for him money works. He made a system. System make money repeatedly. Okay. See the Robert Kiyosaki. We were talk employee. You exchange your time and effort for an income. You don't work, you don't get paid. Self-employed, you work for yourself, but you take a 6 week holiday and your business keep on going without you? Not possible at all, isn't it? See the big businessmen. These people have people working hard for them to generate them an income. Investor, they are the people that have money working hard for them. Play golf and live a good life. See, I'll tell you the individual lifetime working hour. Normally we start age of 20 and we end up 60. Okay, we are working 40 year hard. And see, every day at least we work for 10 hours, in a month 250 hours, in a year 3000 hours, in a lifetime we work for 1,20,000 hours. Now I'll tell you the money formula. What money formula say? Money is equal to rate into time, right? Your rate is education, experience, skill, and it is limited. There is a cap in that rate. You cannot, suppose you are a doctor, you cannot go for chartered accountant now. You limit, everything is a limit. Education is limitation, experience, skill, all limited. And you know that time is limited for everybody. So when your time is limited, income is limited, right? Now another type of people who create a network, who is a own, who is a big businessman. Time is unlimited for them. Why? Because so many people are working for them. And rate also unlimited because so many people are they have a unlimited effort. So rate also unlimited. So obviously money will be unlimited. Let me tell you the few example of time multiplication. Reliance Jio. In India, there is a Reliance Jio, and suppose they have a 50,000 employee, and every employee works for 10 hours. So for Reliance Jio, there is a 5 lakh hour per day. And you remember the last slide where I was talking about if we work entire 40 years, we will have only 1,20,000 hours. See, our 40-year work, these Reliance Jio people are working in one day only. Who will make more money? Obviously, Reliance Jio. Second example I'll take. MACD. We all know about MACD, right? MACD has so many outlets all over the world. Suppose MACD has 40,000 outlets and per outlet work for 10 hours. So for MACD, there's a 4 lakh hour per day. And what we have last slide, we have only 1,20,000 hours per day. And these guys are making that same hour in one day. Who will make more money? Who will be secure? And suppose, see, we got MACD. MACD has given the franchise to people, so they have to pay royalty to them. So suppose X rupees is the royalty and 40,000 is a center. So what is the income for MACD? Sub 1,000 X is equal to 1,000, then 4 crore a day. You think the time multiplication. Another, what is the business trend nowadays? See, business trend like manufacturer, consumer. Like, see, in that middlemen are there. We normally buy product at 100 rupees. This manufacturing cost not more than 30 to 40 rupees. And what about 60 rupees? This middleman goes, advertisement it goes. Also, whatever we earn, hard earned money, it goes to this middleman. Now, what is upcoming market? See, this thing has come. Supermarket, Big Bazaar, online market, Amazon, Walmart. What they does? They do the same thing. They work as a middleman. They buy from manufacturer and they give it to us. And they what they do? We go to online. They say you come to online market, we'll give you some discount, a little discount, but no income, right? Same thing. Now now the sector comes direct distribution channel and service provider. What is the direct distribution? This middleman, you can remove this middleman and you can directly become a partner with the manufacturer and you will get 60%. Is it a good deal? Isn't it? Suppose let's talk about Facebook. You must be having Facebook and you must be having so many friends. What do you think? Whose network? Obviously yours, right? Network created by you and product, services, advertisement sold by Facebook. You can't sell anything in your Facebook network. And who makes money? Facebook. Who make profit? Facebook. You are nowhere. Now, let me talk about the multiplication, how time multiplication for Facebook. We create network for them and Facebook own our network. It is our network, but no, we don't own them. Facebook own the network. Facebook sells everything and profit makes by Facebook. Facebook generate more than 10 lakh rupees business through network created by us. See, I'll tell you how. If we create network of 10,000 people directly or indirectly, and every day, if we investing 2 hours per day on Facebook, then for Facebook we give 20,000 working hour. To whom? Facebook. See the time multiplication. Our 2 hour, and we are giving 20,000 hour working for Facebook. Example of other social network and social selling business model. See, Ola is there, Uber is there, and Zomato, Uber is Trivago, Oyo, Airbnb. You think so? They have suppose this. See, we'll talk about Ola, Uber. You think whether any car they own? Not even a single. They don't have a single car, but still they are making multi-million. They are making so much money. Why? Because they have created a system and these guys are working for them. They have become partner, but if they don't, this car owner, if they don't run for a day, their income will be zero. But for Ola and Uber, they have already made a system, and through system they are making money. Like same way, Airbnb, Trivago, they don't own even a single hotel, but they are making multi-million. Okay, like Swiggy, Zomato, Uber Eats, all are like that only. These are system-based income, products and services. Now, if I tell you, see the screen. Now, what if Facebook share profit with you? Is it good or great? Obviously great, isn't it? But do you think it will happen? Not at all. Facebook will not give you money at all. But we are partner with a company who will give you profit like Facebook and all. Do you want to know who's the company? Yes, this is this company is Amway. I feel proud of to tell about the Amway. Let me see what is the profit structure of Amway. Okay, if you do turnover of 20,000, you will get it to 4,000, 60,000, 5 to 6,000, 1,20,000, 110 to 12,000, 2,40,000, 20 to 25,000, 4 lakh, 35 to 40,000, 7 lakh, 60,000 to 65,000. And if you do 10 lakh, you will get 1 lakh 10,000, 20,000. Apart from that, 4 to 10% retail margin you will get, 8% trade margin, 10% CSI, 3 to 21% turnover profit, and 6% leadership bonus. This leadership bonus called royalty. Whether once you build this business, whether you are there or not, your this income will go to your family. Okay, let me see how it level one. If suppose you started a business, now you are making a business of 10,000. Your turnover personal 10,000, group turnover 10,000, group size 1, approx profit will be 2,000 to 2,500. Now level 2, you called your six of your friend and you have introduced to this business. Now your personal turnover 10,000. It is a constant, right? Group turnover 70,000. Group size 7. Labels it is called 6%. Already I showed you previous slide. And approx income level 5 to 6,000. Now next level 3. Now all 6 people started building their business and they introduced to four people, right? So your total turnover 10,000, group turnover 3,10,000, group size 31, label 12%. Your income will be approximately 30,000 to 35,000. Level 4, all 6 or 4 friends, they got 3 friend in their business, 3 all. Now your group size, your personal turnover 10,000, group turnover 10 lakh 30,000, Group size 1 lakh 3, sorry, 103. You reached a level 21%. What is your income? See, 1 lakh 5, 1 lakh 66,800. See the potential. Now, you reach the 21%. If you help three people to reach 21%, you will be called as a emerald. Emerald income is 40 lakh per annum. And if you help six people to reach 21%, you will be called as a diamond. Diamond income is 80 lakh per year. 80 lakh. See, now we will see the fact about the company. Company is the biggest social networking marketing company in the world. Biggest social networking. Biggest. I'm talking about biggest marketing social networking company in the world. It started in 1959. Presence in more than 110 countries. Global turnover is more than 8 billion US dollar. Already distributed approx 61 billion as a profit, as a commission, having assets of 4 lakh crore, and it has more than 450 products. And the best part, it a deal, it doesn't have any debt. You can't find an MBA in a share market. More than 1,000 patents they have. And I'm talking about India, started in 1998, more than 160 product in India, 100% money back guarantee. Now, this is a direct distribution channel. Owner, you can have your own business. You can be entrepreneur. No capital, very low investment, no overhead expenses, no risk because you have not invested money. There is no risk. Free license. Entire world is a market. Entire US is a market for you. Support system. The best part, if you want to grow anywhere in any field, you must be having coach. If you don't have coach, you won't be able to grow. So we have a great worldwide education system. Who will coach us? Who will mentor us how to build this business? And you can build this business in a part-time, flexible time. No target. You choose your target. There is no target by Amway. High income potential. Already I showed you the income potential. And it has proven global legacy of 61 years. All product with 100% money back guarantee. See, we have a product, nutrition and wellness. We have all the products related to nutrition, supplement we have, protein powder, multivitamin, everything. Beauty and skincare. Everything, whatever we use daily basis, beauty and skincare. Home care, we have everything about home. Personal care, we have all personal care product. Agriculture product, we have a wet management, we have a cookware, we have a air treatment, and we have a fitness drink. It is a high quality number one brand, cost effective. It is value for money, and money back guarantee 100%. A business opportunity, best part. Okay, this university who will teach you how to this business. This is a bit worldwide who will coach us, mentor us, and we have a mobile app, online resources where we can learn so many things about the business. We have a business conference. After lockdown, we'll start again business conferences and all. We have audio and video where we can learn business, how to build this business. Hope you guys like this and you want to know what to do next. I'll tell you. Get started. First, what you need to do, you have to start. For starting, you don't need to invest even a single pie. Just you need to have your Aadhaar card. Sorry, you should have KYC. Okay, your ID card and your address proof and bank detail. You borrow some tapes and books from who has sold you the business. He will help you. He or she will help you to grow this business. Replace the product. You must be using some product in your home. Just what you need to do, you have to replace the product, and you can start this business. Come to the next one. So many meetings will be happening here and there in this business. I will be telling you where and all. Your coach will be telling you where and all it happens. You can go. You can learn the business, and you can grow in the business in a big way. That's all, folks. We are done, and we'll see you in the beaches of the top of the world.